How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find a dark forest in Minecraft fast. So it's going to be extremely simple. First things first, you want to click on open to LAN and then just make sure that you allow commands, allow cheats, click start LAN world, and then you want to press Y on your keyboard or T. In here, you just want to simply search for find or locate biome. So in some other versions out there, you actually have to put a space, biome, and then you simply want to search for Minecraft has underscore dark forest. If you cannot go ahead and find it, you could just scroll down. And in here, let's go ahead and look for the dark forest. Or if you cannot go ahead and find it, you could just teleport to the structure woodland mansion, hit on enter, and then you just want to click on the coordinates right here. Hit on enter once again. And then if we'll look at our coordinates, or if we'll look at our biome, we can then go ahead and see that currently we are inside the dark forest. So let's just go ahead and dig up to see what's up with this world right here. And now we are simply inside the dark forest. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. So in dark forest,